here to take you on a topic, particulate nature of matter. Now, and the subject is chemistry. Today is the 6th of January 2023. Now, let's start with this topic, particulate nature of matter. First of all, what do you mean by matter? What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and can occupy space. Matter is anything that has mass and can occupy space. So anything that can occupy space is regarded as a matter. Seat is a matter, table is a matter, chair is a matter, and this matter has certain particles. What is the particulate nature of matter? How is matter regarded as a particle? What are the particles in matter? The particles in matter are, we have one, we have atoms. Two, we have molecules, and three, we have ions. Ions, these are the three fundamental particles of matter. Now, let's take atom as a particle of a matter. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. That smallest part of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction is regarded as an atom. And these atoms is subdivided. We have the particles, subparticles of atoms. What are subparticles of atoms? The subparticles of atoms. Number one, we have electron. Number two, we have proton. Number three, we have neutron. Proton is it was discovered by a scientist called J.J. Thomson. Proton was discovered by James Chadwick, Rutherford, sorry. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Proton happens to be what? Protons happens to be negative in charge. That's the charge, and the mass is what? Is 1/18408 MU. While proton is positively in charge, it has a positive charge, and it has a mass of 1 AMU. That AMU is atomic mass unit. The neutron is neutral. Don't say neutral. It is neither negative nor positive, and it has a mass of 1 AMU. Now, after we have noted that atom is can be subdivided, that is why you have atomic theory that says the atom can never be created or destroyed, or can convert from one form to another, or that says that atom is indivisible particle of an element. It is not indivisible according to atomic theory. So atom is divisible. It's divided into three, which is proton, neutron, and electron. Proton is negative, electron is negative, proton is positive, and neutron is neutral in charge. Okay, and with that, I will like us to also look at this atom. When we say atom, This atom, from atom, we look at the Rutherford model of an atom. What is the Rutherford atom of an model of an atom? We have the diagram this way. We have the positive charges in the nucleus, which is the proton. We have the chargeless particles. This is regarded as neutron. Both of them, occupy the nucleus of an atom. When we have the electron revolving around the nucleus, electron, and this is what we call the atomic structure. We call it atomic structure. Atomic structure. And from atomic structure, then we can now talk about what we mean by atomic number and mass number. Atomic number, mass number, atomic number, and also mass number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom of an element. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of an element is regarded as the atomic number, while the number of the mass number is the number of proton plus neutron. The number of proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom of an element is regarded as the mass number. This is just to, in summary, atomic number is the number of protons, while mass number is the number of protons plus neutron in the nucleus of an atom. So in the next video, I'll be explaining how to determine the atomic number of an element and also the mass number of an element, and even using the atomic number of an element to determine the mass number of an element. Thank you for watching.